appetizers. Who doesn't love amazing, delicious, easy appetizers? And I don't know about you, but I've got a teenager in my house who particularly loves queso dip. Yep, we're going there. Hi, I'm Nica Waters and welcome to Tasty Thursday. Today, we are making homemade queso dip. Because one of the things that's amazing about queso dip is that incredibly smooth, crazy texture. So you're going to start with about 2.5 cups of shredded cheese. Need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Big can of evaporated milk, not condensed milk. Sweetened condensed milk is milk and sugar that's been boiled together into this nice thick paste that is like a dessert. This is actually not condensed milk. This is just evaporated milk. Big difference. One of the things I love about this recipe is this is so easy to do when you're on a boat. All of these things, all of these ingredients are actually ingredients that I have all the time on my boat. I always have cheese, I always have cornstarch, I always have evaporated milk, I always have a can of green chilies, and of course the spices. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to heat up the milk in a saucepan. About 3 tablespoons of salsa. If you look along the edges, you can see that it's just starting to come to a little bit of a boil. You can see those bubbles on the side. And so now I'm going to put in the cheese, which has the cornstarch and the spices all mixed into it. And I am doing it 1 handful at a time, and I'm going to melt it before I add more. See, it's starting to thicken up. If you feel like it's getting too thick, you can add a little bit of water to it. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water. That's like 1.5 tablespoons of water to thicken it, to thin it out. There we go. That's starting to be better. Want to taste it?
Sure, Mom.
Okay. How's the texture?
Pretty nice. Nice and thick, the way I like it.
So there you have it. Homemade queso dip with mostly pronounceable ingredients. I suppose I could see if evaporated milk that you buy at a Whole Foods or a health food store actually has all pronounceable ingredients, but it's still better than processed cheese food that you find in a jar at the store. Happy Tasty Thursday. If you like what you've seen, press like. Tag a friend you think should see it. Share it with somebody who loves queso and queso dip and teenagers and feeding their family and friends delicious, amazing homemade food. And don't forget to subscribe. There will be something else amazing, delicious, and you totally can do it yourself next Thursday. Have the most amazing week. The evaporated milk might not have every single ingredient that's... Nope. If you like what you've seen, I will sing la 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 la. I hope that this gets cut out because I sometimes can't sing at all. good way to pretend to pass the time, though.